Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Miss Jackie Aina's Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I am super duper excited to be reviewing this, and if you guys want to see how I got this look using this palette, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start halfway in my face routine. I am unboxing and opening the Jackie Aina eyeshadow palette with Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. First I want to say that this packaging is bomb. Look at that. I love it. It's very luxury, very Jackie. And you guys, just bear with me. I have on these bomb ass press-on nails, and I never get my nails this long, so if you see me struggling, that's why. Oh my gosh. Okay, there it is. And oh, I'm so excited. Okay you guys, here are all of the colors from the palette. I don't really know what I want to do. I'm kind of sort of just going to freestyle it. Ooh, look at Zam. And these names, look at that. That's Zam. These names, you guys, are so for the culture. It's not even funny. Wiggalese, honey. Let's see Wiggalese. Can you guys see that? I'm going to swatch it on my wrist too. Ooh! Alright. What about... let's see edges. There's edges. And let's do dollars. I'm not gonna swatch all of them, just some of them. Let's go into, let's do Big Wig. Big Wig is this purple. Wow, everything is coming out really pigmented. I'm going to swatch Credit, which is this dark brown right here. That's beautiful. And let's do, I want to do Supreme, which is a light pink one. So there you have a couple of swatches. This is going to be Supreme, Credit, and Big Wig. So I've zoomed in a little bit closer. Like I said, my makeup routine is halfway done right now. So far I have done my foundation, contour, highlight, and eyebrows. I haven't put anything on my eyes yet. So that is the very first thing that I'm going to do. And I think that I'm going to use a concealer on my eyes. I'm not going to use like an eyeshadow base. I'm just going to go in with Creamy Beige by BH Cosmetics. It's a lot lighter than the concealer that I will use underneath my brows. But I want it to be a little bit lighter, just so I have good foundation. I'm sorry. I want it to be a little bit lighter just so I have good eyeshadow payoff. Woo, these nails. And once it's blended out with my finger, I'm just going to go back in with a brush and blend it, because you guys know that I'm used to, well, if you don't know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, so I do hair, nails, lashes, full body waxing. And it's, for me, it's just best that we don't have nails, or if we do, that they're short. So you guys, so I have no idea what kind of look that I want to create with this palette. So with that being said, I think that I want to do like a very blown out, very natural look, but still very colorful at the same time. So I think that I'm gonna stay within this family right here. I'm gonna go in with the shade Pinker with a tapered brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on my crease, and we're gonna see what's up. And because I want it blown out, I am just gonna like kind of be a little messy on the corners because I don't want it to be neat. I kind of want it to look airbrushed. This is bomb. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. Okay, you guys, so now that I have Pinker popped into my crease, I think that I'm gonna take Ginger right here and go above that just to blend. Now I'm not gonna be using any type of cut crease, any type of additional concealer to carve anything out, and that's just because I want to see the true pigment of these shades. So that's where we are so far. We know you really ain't bought it, it ain't no use. Okay, you guys, so my next order of business, I am going to take Wigglese, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that on the inner half of my eyelid. Now I am gonna go in with Sugar, which is right next to Wigglese. It is like a shimmery purple, and I'm gonna put that right on the outer corner. Girl, I need you like I need the money. And I'm not afraid to overlap because I'm gonna end up blending everything together. But you guys, for me to not have cut my crease, we're looking pretty good. And I'm just doing the same thing to the other side. Taking that purple and just blending it like so. Back with that other brush that I use and just kind of blend. Run it across my whole entire eyelid. Just to kind of make everything blend because I want it to be really, really airbrushed. I don't want it to look like one color, two color, three color. And you guys, I'm going to be building the product up. So I'm going to go back in and reapply all of those colors. Now I'm just going to go back with the tapered brush that I use for blending and just, again, blend everything together. So this is what I have so far for the eye look. I'm actually gonna go in and finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna finish off the eye. I'm gonna of course melt everything down to the bottom. I'll throw on a lash. I might do an eyeliner, and then I'll come back with a final look for you guys. So give me like 2 seconds.